Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to add money to a Wisely card in 2025. If you're using a Wisely card for budgeting, payments, or just everyday spending, knowing how to top it up quickly is a game changer. This prepaid card from ADP is super secure and versatile, and by the end of this video, you'll be adding funds like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Wisely app installed on your smartphone. It's free and available on both iOS and Android. Once downloaded, open the app and log in with your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's quick and only takes a minute or two. Now, onto the main steps. Step 1. Head to the Add Money or Fund Account section in the app's dashboard. You'll see several options, like linking your bank account for a transfer. Select that, and enter your bank details securely. Remember, Wisely uses encryption, so your info is safe. Step 2. Choose your funding method. You can do a direct deposit from your employer, transfer from another bank, or even load cash at participating retailers. For a bank transfer, enter the amount you want to add, let's say $100, and confirm the transaction. It usually processes in 1 to 3 business days. If you're sending money from another source, like a friend or family member, they can use services like Zelle or ACH transfers directly to your Wisely card. Just provide them with your card details or routing number. A quick tip: always double-check for any fees associated with adding funds. Some methods are free, while others might have a small charge. Also, if you run into issues, contact Wisely customer support through the app. They're responsive and helpful. There you have it. Adding money to your Wisely card in 2025 is straightforward and secure. Give it a try, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.